Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Let's get right into it. Whether you've accidentally entered an invoice you didn't mean to create, or you need to fix an error in your records, knowing how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online can save you a lot of hassle. It's a straightforward process, but only if you know exactly where to look. This tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity, ensuring you can accomplish this task smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open up your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, your attention should be focused on the left-hand panel of your screen. This panel is like your control hub, giving you access to various tools and options to manage different parts of your business finances. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially your command center for managing invoices, customer interactions, and other sales-related details. Once you've entered the Sales section, you'll automatically find yourself in the Invoices tab within the main workspace area. Here, you'll see a list of all the invoices you've created. This comprehensive view shows you what invoices are outstanding, which are pending, and which ones might need corrections. It's always a good idea to take a quick glance here to ensure everything is as it should be before you proceed with deleting any invoice. Now, with the list of invoices displayed before you, the next step is to locate the specific invoice you wish to delete. QuickBooks makes this step pretty straightforward thanks to a useful little feature, the caret icon. This icon, which looks like a small downward-pointing arrow, is situated next to each invoice entry. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. Think of it as a hidden menu that offers you more control over your invoices. To continue, simply click on that caret icon next to the invoice you've identified. This action will bring up a list of options, including the one we are focused on today, Delete. By selecting Delete, QuickBooks will prompt you to remove the invoice from your records. A confirmation message is likely to pop up, asking you to verify this action. These confirmations are crucial, as they act as a safeguard against accidental deletions, making sure you don't remove something essential by mistake. And just like that, you've successfully deleted an invoice in QuickBooks Online. While the process is quick and efficient, it's important to approach it with care. Always double-check before deleting, to avoid losing data you might need later. By following these steps, you can ensure your records remain accurate and up-to-date, maintaining a clean and organized financial overview for your business. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.